So, is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual worth buying? To answer that, you need to understand what it really is and what it's not. The Oyster Perpetual is the purest Rolex. No date, no complications, no extra shine, just simplicity, reliability, and history. But value starts with this. It's the foundation of the entire Rolex lineup. Before the Submariner, before the GMT, before the Daytona, there was the Oyster Perpetual. Its waterproof Oyster case and self-winding Perpetual movement are the two innovations that built the brand. That alone gives it heritage most entry-level watches don't have. Now let's talk money. The Oyster Perpetual is usually the most affordable Rolex, but affordability doesn't mean weakness. In fact, it holds value extremely well because demand stays consistent and supply stays controlled. If you can buy it at retail, you're already ahead. On the secondary market, prices rise depending on dial color, size, and condition. Certain colors, like turquoise or rare shades, can explode in demand. Next, durability. This watch is built for everyday use. No delicate parts, no complicated mechanics to break. Just a solid, reliable machine that can last decades with regular service. Then comes versatility. A suit, jeans, office, travel. The Oyster Perpetual fits everything. It doesn't scream luxury. It whispers it. But here's the real reason people buy it. It's a watch that grows with you. You can start with an Oyster Perpetual and move to a Submariner or GMT without ever feeling like you outgrew it. So is it worth buying? If you want history, reliability, value retention, and a Rolex you can wear every day without shouting for attention, then yes, it might be the smartest first Rolex you can own, because trends rise and fall, but the Oyster Perpetual stays exactly what it was meant to be: simple, timeless, and unmistakably Rolex.